for you are saying about gas problem. Everybody got gas problem. Everybody got acidity problem. Why I told you? Because whenever we take food, body brain thinks there is something is there, so we try to digest that. So more and more acid is taken. Okay, acid is put, so you get acidity problem. Lot of patient tells me, doctor, I stopped now for long time because after you told me I to stop my all non-veg food. Still, why I am getting acidity problem? Arey Baba, because your brain has been learning for years that this requires this much acid, so it is continuously flowing. Now it will take time for body to learn. Now you require only this much acid, so that much is enough. Because of that, the time will require for body to take training about how much acid is required. I will give you a simple example why non-veg and chicken should not be taken. I have proved it. When you take chicken, ताज्या मदीं आनी ते कार्टिलेज कशें आसता मगो धवे कितें खाता ते कितें म्हणटात तुमी कोंकणीन कितें म्हणटा आमी ताका? कोंकणीन कितें म्हणटा ताका? सॉफ्ट वायट कशें हें आसता ते लोक हांवें हॉटेलान खातना पळय खटाक खटाक करून ते खातात बरे. कार्टिलेज. कार्टिलेज. पण कोंकणीन कितें म्हणटात ते म्हणटा. So that cartilage when you are eating, you feel it nice, everybody is enjoying that. Particularly they take that leg piece and all because of that. And they khatat. When it goes inside, cannot be digested. So it remains in the stomach shape like this. It remains in the stomach for very long time. If you want to prove, you eat it. Wait for 8 days. After 8 days, morning you take around 2 liters of water or 1.5 liter of water. Put the finger, omit in the tub. You will find that cartilage coming out. So, body is trying to put acid more and more to digest that. You are unaware the body how it is working. When you take chicken piece and when you take meat, it is same. It is not digestible with our saliva, so body is trying to more and more acid there to remove that particular part because brain senses inside there is something there. Please put more acid, and then particular acid till it goes to zero, it will go on putting acid. That is reason why everybody is having acid problem. One acid is going inside and more acid is in the blood, then all the health problems start because of that. That is the root cause behind every problem. And who is doing this? We are own ourselves. After telling, doctor is telling so much hours to giving the talk. Not the talk, Ditani. It is for me needed, for my son needed, anybody else. We know everything. Why we are telling you? For 5 people I am using my maximum energy, efforts to make you aware. Only because I love you. I don't want you to suffer. Am I right? Still if you do, and once you come with the same problem, first I scold you. Because you have done mistake. After telling you are doing mistake, now body is not ready to accept your mistake. Now you are a sufferer. And you don't know what level you may suffer. One person was telling me he was having the asthma, severe problem of lungs because he was smoking for a long time. Even the smell of the flower, he gets the suffocation, lungs problem, and he had to go hospital, admit, nebulizer. And I have taken his interview. I must present it to you also. His old chap, around 75 years old, he was crying, telling his story. How he is suffering. Every day he is going in the hospitals. Every day he is sufferer because of lung problem, because he has done smoking. He told me same time other story of his son. He told me, son is the lucky. I am unlucky. My son is lucky because he got immediately problem when he started smoking. He started getting cough and irritations. So he stopped. He is lucky. Why I had not suffered that time? I would have stopped. But I suffered because I was not suffering at that time. I am suffering now as a health. Am I right? Those who are getting problem immediately are the happiest people like us. We, even if small win, we suffer. Immediately we treat, we take care. आम्ही खंय गेल्यार आमची एसी अशी वयर आसता टेप मारून की एसी वारो लागलो आमकां प्रॉब्लम इमिडिएटली कळटा तुमकां कळना. वी नो that there are fan point, wind attack जाता हांगा, सो हांगा क्लोज करूंक जाय. कोणागेर गेलो आनी एसी आसलो जाल्यार you will see in any AC, if I want to any person, I will see it like this. If there is AC, direct wind आसा जाल्यार असो बसता, ताका खबर ना कित्याक बसता. I am just closing my fan points. In Chinese there are fan points where the wind attacks. हांगा जे फॅन पॉइंट्स असतात दोन, हांगा फॅन पॉइंट असता. लोक कानान घालतात बुड्डी आनी वाऱ्याक वतात पिशे कशे. कानानसून वचना वारो, रॉंग. वारो वता फाटल्यान फॅन पॉइंट्स. सी हियर आय एम पुटिंग यू पॉइंट्स. इफ यू आर सीइंग, I am closing, try to close your that points for everybody. Most of the patient having the fan points open, we close it with the treatment. आणि दुसरे पॉइंट असता हांगा. You know olden days people were using muffler. सारखे असे धाकताले आणि मागीर असो घेताले. So all the points are covered. Wind attacks only in this area, and when wind attacks, then all the problem starts. And if it is cold wind, then you suffer more. And other fan points are in the web margin. हांगा पांयाची गेळा आसता पळय ती, थंयसून wind attack जाता. पूण चादरीच्या भायर जर भायर उरलो पांय आनी फॅन चालू आसत जाल्यार you are sufferer with the pain in the leg, then till the back, everything will pain. Because you don't know, we know each and every science of the body, so we know how to cover ourselves, we know how to protect ourselves from food level, from atmosphere condition, everything. You people don't know this science, so because of that you just get problems, you run out to the doctors. Our body, you can do your own system, learn from myself. You see my videos, learn about how to take care of your body. So our health is very important, that we must take this care. Second thing I am telling you, very important. When there is gas problem, what he said, take जिरे आणि वोवो. कितें सांग? जिरे आणि वोवो मिक्स करून एका डबेन दवरा. जिरे आणि वोवो मिक्स करा आणि दवरा. Take 1.5 teaspoon to 2 teaspoon. Chawa, boro chawa. When you get gas problem like pain in the stomach, totally you are nowhere, you are getting so much that you have to run to doctor. Don't worry. Take the jira and wowo, chew it, लाल वांगडा वचपाक जाय. घ्या आणि ताचेर एक गरम उदक घ्या आणि पासयो मारा. Within 5 minutes things will be normal. Within 5 to 10 minutes. You will not require even 20 minutes. How fast you can repair yourself if you are taught properly how to do it. बडीशेपीचे उदक गॅस ना करपाचें काम करता, गट आहा ते क्लियर करपाचें काम करता. Every hotel after eating they give बडीशेप. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So I am asking them, I am calling their manager. Manager, why you have given this बडीशेप? No, we give. No, because you know that all your food is bad for health. Will give gas problem, my digestion problem. So I should not suffer. Because of that, you are trained to give this body shape to me. So that while going, I will take and I will not feel bad about your food. नाल्यार हांगासून गेलो सगळे त्रास जाल्यार I will be saying that हॉटेलान जेवण बरें ना मरे. So that care people have taken in the hotels in olden days. Now these people don't know why they are doing. So one hotel people I told, instead of that you can give dieting tablets so that people know why you are giving antacid tablet. So that they will know that your food is not good, and because of that you are giving me this tablet. I am making a joke so that you will understand reality of the show.
Take it lightly.
That particular design is done because you know this hotel food will make you trouble. At home you are not eating that. You know home food is not making that trouble. त्या आजीनामोटो बिटो सगळे असता, सगळं मोठं जाता म्हणटा आम्ही मागीर. आम्ही खाता आजीनामोटो आणि आम्ही मोठो जाता म्हणटा. Then Ajinomoto is worst thing for health, and it is used in every food, every dish to make you taste. So that taste बरे हाडपाक जाय म्हणून ते घालतात आणि आम्ही म्हणटा आणि खातात. चाटून चाटून खातात लास्ट. इतके बरे लागतात. So whatever is tasty is bad for health, and whatever is not tasty is good for health. डाळ भात हे ते not so tasty, but is good for health. Indian wine is not tasty, good for health. कोडू किराय ते घेतात आयतारच्या आयतारा आता करतात करीना तुमगेर करता तुमच्या घरान बरी उरतली मनशा किरायत काढ डेली किरायते घेणारे प्रत्येक दोन तर एव्हरी संडे किरायते घरात जाताले सकाळ पुढे वास येतालो किरायताचो उठताना आता किरायते घेऊन जाय
त्याने बंद केलं केलं.
ते किरायते घेतल्याला डायबिटीज बिबिटीज सगळे जावपाचे बंद जाता. वाईट
डॉक्टर सांगतात किरायते घेतले डायबिटीज वाडटा.
म्हाका सांग डॉक्टर जर बरे सांगूंक लागिल्ले जाल्यार कोरोना स्प्रेड जातलो आशिल्लो. पळय आता माझ्या सारकिल्या डॉक्टराकडे पेशंट येवचे ना. कित्याक येवचे ना कारण ते बरे जातले एक तरी आयिल्ले बरे जातले म्हणून येवचे ना आनी असले हांव सांगूंक गेल्यार कोणूच म्हणटा वाज्यातले येवचे ना. पण हांवें जर बरें सांगले जर तुमी बरी उरली जाल्यार आमकां पेशंट कशे मेळटले. Daily you can take it, but at least once in the week. Once in the week is very much important because don't make anything excess. भायरी हांवें सांगला म्हणून daily भायरी घेवं नाका. Once in the 6 months is enough. So whatever is bad is good for our health. कोडू किराय ते वायट हेल्थाक बरें. चिकन टेस्टाक बरें हेल्थाक वायट. बरोबर वासूच बरें येता थंय तळयले भजी हांगा वास येता भाजयेचो. ते दुकानार ते गाडे आसता थंय लोक ऑटोमॅटीक अट्रॅक्ट जाता असो असो घरा कडेन वचना तो चिंतता आपूण बिचार वतलो पण दोतोरान सांगला भजी खावपाची ना बरी न्ही खावचोच ना खावचोच ना खावचोच ना गाड्या कडेन ओडून वता कित्याक नाक ओडटा अरे आज खाले तूं मागीर तो एक दीस चल आनी बरो खावचो ना आनी तो मागीर त्या दिसा चड खाता कित्याक सांग बरो खायचें खावचो ना. बरोबर हा तो त्या दिसा अशी थोडी खातलो आशिल्लो पण तो पर आनी खावचो ना फायच्यान आज तो चडूच खाता आनी 2 प्लेटी दिले म्हणटा फायच्यान खावचो ना.
बरो पावस पडला आनी
very important this is very important. I am telling you one more thing पण एक टॉपिक काढलो असे टॉपिक वाटता माझे very important when there is rain पाऊस पडटा पण when there is rain everybody मचमचीत चिकन कर रहा है मचमचीत ध्यान रे ना सगळे सुरू करता मचमचीत खाऊया नी मचमचीत खाऊया चिकन करा आज हाडटा चल आणि मनान कितें करता सांग दोतोरान सांगल्यार गरम पडटा न्ही कळ्ळें. इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट हा गरम पडटा न्ही पूण तूं खावची न्ही गरम पडटा म्हणून खावची न्ही म्हणटा आनी जेन्ना पावस पडला बरो थंड पावस पडला बरो तुका चिकन भजी बिजी खावपाची कित्याक हीट भितर जाय बॉडीक. आमचेच ब्रेन सांगता दुसरो ब्रेन आनी फटींगपण करता पळय that brain is telling you take more about now this is cold climate now don't worry you take chicken and bhaji and all this oily stuff and all घरा कडे आज कितें केल्या आज बरें जावया बरें मचमचीत जावया ओके and then what happen you suffer आनी आमी कितें म्हणटात पोटाचें इन्फेक्शन हालीं सगळ्यांक पोटाचे प्रॉब्लेम जाला दोतोरागेर दोतोरागेर सगळे जनरल फिजिशियनाकडे भरल्यात लायनी सगळ्यांक पोटाचे प्रॉब्लेम भायरा जाता आनी कितें जाता आनी कितें सांगता सांग व्हायरल इन्फेक्शन. सध्या सगळ्याक व्हायरल इन्फेक्शन जाल्या सगळ्याक भायरा जाता. अरे बाबा भायरा खातीर व्हायरल इन्फेक्शना खातीर भायरा जायना नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ व्हायरल इन्फेक्शन इट इज ओनली बिकॉज युअर सिस्टम इनसाइड हॅज क्रिएटेड ए प्रॉब्लम. यू गेट फीवर एंड वी से व्हायरल फीवर जाल्या सगळ्याक साथ आयल्या जोराची साथ आयल्या. इट इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लायमेट have anything viral infection because of outside there is cold body internally makes the things hot. Just remember what I am telling you when there is cold climate cold rain internal body makes the hotness you feel like fever. It is not fever, it is the hotness created In that you put
Hot.
chicken, hot things to make the things hot. So double hot. Then you say it is fuel. It is common sense. I don't know why the doctors are not thinking in that angle. Yourself, you are having the hotness from inside to maintain your body temperature to outside cold climate. It is getting hot and you are putting hot food inside to make the hotness. So double hot is the fever. And you are putting that viral infection. There is nothing viral infection. Tell me any doctors or anybody should tell me the common cold or common fever जे हा flu हा पय त्याचं व्हायरसचे नाव सांग म्हणून. There is no virus name for common cold. Is there any common cold virus name?
Flu म्हणतात.
There is no name. Because there is nothing as such they have found. That is a climatic condition and bodies respond to that. So inside our hotness is increased because of this type of food. भजी खावपाची पावस पडना वर थंड पडून भजी खावपाची that is the wrong thing. Then in that particular season by bad luck mushroom येतात. 100 आणि 50 रुपयान 100 आशिल्ले ओके 2000 rupees 100 still people buy परत काय मेळचे ना मेळ्ळे 500 घेतले खाले मशरूम heat hottest you know what is mushroom is the earth hotness coming out earth हा पय त्याची hotness is coming out is mushroom ते गरमेन येना आणि पावसान येना गरम क्लायमेट त्याचे बारीक पाऊस पडटा सरळ 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 करून वता आम्ही मशरूमाचा पाऊस पडटा आता मशरूम येतले म्हणटा मार्केटात हा सरळ सरळ करून पाऊस येता आणि वता ते हॉटनेस विथ द सरळ तो पाऊस येला that gives you mushroom that is hotness of the earth coming out and that we eat hot things hottest things of the universe is the mushroom. And when we take it, it goes inside, it takes time, comes out through skin, comes out through headaches, all the problem we suffered this year. कळ्ळें तुका कितें सांगता ते? So what doctors say, तू कितें म्हणलें कितें बरें न्ही म्हटलें?
किरायतें.
किरायतें.
Diabetes.
किरायतें जर घेतलें तुवें आनी गुड फूड घेतलें जाल्यार तुका डायबिटीज जावची ना. किरायतें खावन जर वायट जाताले जाल्यार पयलींचे लोक 100 वर्सां कित्याक जगताले? Tell me. 100 years people were living with the good food and all these systems of Indian medicine or traditions. We stopped that by this new system of medicine and we are sufferer. You have seen anybody of your grandmother and always suffering with the health problems? Nobody was suffering. They have never seen doctors. Doctor hatta म्हटले नाका नाका दोतोर नाका म्हणटाले. They were frightened about doctors. My old parents, my grandparents had never seen the doctors.
Even my daddy.
And they were living 102 years. My grandfather was totally right. At the age of 100 years, I have done his 100 years celebration in Maksa Hall and invited all the press people and all. And he came walking straight on the stage at the age of 100 years. That till that day also he was able to ride cycle at 100 years. Because he was veg, never taken any medicines. Anything happened, I was to treat him. But how I was thinking that 120 will live. But by bad luck, while doing the shaving, a blade लागली. Some scratch and Cesari doctor loving this person immediately brought him. Data तुका त्रास जातले. So this infection and this and that. So and he started giving him. They gave him very strong 600 milligrams antibiotic. Just within few days he collapsed and died. हांवें ताका मागीर तो तकलेर हात मारता I have done mistake, my mistake. I म्हणले what is the age? What is his lifestyle? And 600 milligram dose, which is now commonly given to everybody. Now nobody gives 250 milligram antibiotic. They start with the 100, direct 600.
That is bad.
That is not bad. That is their way of doing because see, माझी प्रॅक्टिस बरी जाऊन जाय पण माझ्याकडे पेशंट आलो रोखडोच बरो जालो. One who is giving mild medicine, ताका बरेच ना, he will go to other doctor, so his practice will not go. Some doctor, child specialists are there, who are giving only one medicine a day, only one antibiotic, and if necessary, he don't have more practice. Only like our doctors, children will come to him. Other doctors having queues because he is giving 2 to 3 antibiotics a day. Immediately next day you are okay. रोकडो भुरगो बरो आलो. But he has killed you instantly. डॉक्टर नाझारेथ जाणा न्ही तूं म्हापशाचो तो 1 के 2 मेडिसिन दितालो. ताचे व्हडली प्रॅक्टीस नाशिल्ली, धाकटे क्लिनीक धाकटे पण ओनली सिस्टमॅटिक मेडिसिन 1 or 2 3 मेडिसिन घेऊ नाका म्हणटालो तो. हे मागीर पळय यो परत जायला. There are very few doctors who are practicing this way, but their practice is not going well.
They are finished.
They are finished. All old doctors were giving you one tablet for pressure, and your lifetime your pressure is maintained. Now system of medicine has changed. Third generation medicine, 3 tablets in a day, 3 types. Still your pressure is not maintained.